Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video of Coinage. This will be the first video in English, so for most of you probably Coinage is pretty unknown, but I received lately a lot of messages on Twitter and on TradingView about why I'm making the videos and all the analysis in Greek. This is simple. It's because our site coinage.gr is addressed to Greeks, and all the articles in here are in Greek. But the technical analysis and all the trading stuff is in English and are supported in English. So from now on, since many of you are interested about our technical analysis, from now on the videos will be in English language, because as you can see, our channel is pretty new. We have 4 videos in Greek, but until now the international people are more interested than Greeks. So I'd like to give them the opportunity to watch our technical analysis, because these 4 videos most of you won't be able to watch. So from now on, the videos and the technical analysis will be in Greek. And also, you can always take a look at our trading section. For example, the war room. Let me go in here. Okay. So as you can see, we offer the war room in English language. War room is the first crypto trading room, and we'll offer you a live streaming every day, watching the major markets and talking about technicals. Also, we offer you an 24-hour per day live signals and trade management. All this are coming to you for free, totally for free at the first for the first 3 months after the launch. This becomes because we want to give you the opportunity to take a look at our strategy and see that actually it worth be a member of the war room. It's a new project, and we'd like very much to see you in there. So with that being said, let's go straight away to the chart. We'll watch the Bitcoin versus US dollar chart. Let me erase these lines before we start. Okay. And this one. Okay, so let's go to the daily chart. No, I'll use Bitfinex. That's better. Okay. So the daily chart is not looking good. We are stick to this bear market for quite some time. Right now we are sitting around at around $6,500. And as you can see, we are right at this level of support, and we have this downtrend line going down pretty steep. I have to tell that in my opinion, these double bottom formations tend to break to the downside, and you have this huge double bottom and you have this smaller double bottom. But as you can see, double bottoms tends to break. For example, you had one here. Oops, excuse me. So if you see, all the double bottoms until now are broken. The previous how much is that? 2 double bottoms. It's 1, it's 2 right here, and it's 3. So the last 3 double bottoms were broken to the downside, and it's a pattern that it tends to break to the downside. So we should be looking for short trades here. The first level of support, in my opinion, is the 6,000, excuse me, the 6,000 level. It's right, this one, the first green line. But also, Again, the probabilities of 6,000 to be held, in my opinion, are pretty small. This is because every support that is tested more than once, it get weaker, or if I have to say this better, the more times we test the support level, the weaker it gets. And of course the opposite is true for the resistances. So at this level we have tested the 6,000 support once, twice, and we're going for the third time. So the third time we test the 6,000 support, the chances of reversal are less than the chances we had right here and right here. So that doesn't mean that we cannot reverse right now and go to new highs. We're talking about probabilities here, and nothing is for sure. The market will do whatever it likes to do. But we have always to look at the markets with probabilities. In my opinion, the first crucial support level in this chart is the level of 5,000, and that's because 5,000 is a previous high. As you can see here, we had made some previous highs at 5,000 level before we retraced to 3,000, and this 5,000 level never retested again. If you see, we draw a vertical line, an horizontal line right here. As you can see, we never retest the 5,000 level again. It's right here. You can see we was pretty close to retest the level, but technically we didn't retest it. And so the support of 5,000 is never tested again, and this is why I believe that it will be extremely strong to break below the 5,000, and maybe it's a level that many traders should look for long opportunities. And I'm saying this thing because if you go back to the history of the Bitcoin, there is a very interesting pattern. Bitcoin usually, when Bitcoin is breaking out from old highs, it usually goes back and retests these highs at some point. There are only 2 points where this didn't happen. It's the level of 5,000, and it's the level of 1,200 something, I think. Okay, that's too low, but it is not impossible to go back there. It's for sure it's unlikely, but it's not impossible, and there are some chances that we could see Bitcoin at so much lower prices. But anyway, the first level I'm looking is the level of 5,000, and the reason, I explained the reason why. Right now I'm looking about short opportunities, and maybe here is already a nice entry to the market, because we made a new daily low under this doji candle, as you can see, and we have some room until the 6,000, some profit to be taken. If we go to lower charts, let me go to the 2-hour chart. As you can see, we just broke out from a symmetric triangle. I'll draw it for you. It is this symmetric triangle, or maybe the 1 hour. Yeah, so we just broke out from the symmetric triangle. The volume spiked, as you can see. The selling volume spiked, and this is a clue that we want to see at its breakout of this kind of charts, of chart patterns. So everything seems to be nice for a short trade. So if you take a short trade right here, you can set your stop loss just above the triangle, and your profit target could be, let me have the Fibonacci extension tool, and we will measure from the highs to the lows of the swing and back up. Okay, so the first level of the first Fibonacci extension level, where the prices maybe some chances to reverse, is the 6,000, let's say 6,100. So you have a risk reward pretty nice of 1.5, and everything lines up with your short rate because everything seems bearish right now. The daily chart, the weekly chart. Let's take a look at it. As you see, we are almost very close to break out of the 50 week moving average. So maybe this is a very nice trade. Let's see what the market does. Of course, this is not a financial advice, and this is just my opinion. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, because as you can see, Greeks don't like technical analysis very much, but our channel is pretty new. It's only a month. No, it's only two weeks old. So yeah, okay. This is why we have no people watching us. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.